Today's top 5 crypto headlines for July 5th, let's get into it. Turkey blocks PancakeSwap and 45 other crypto sites to enforce stricter AML and licensing rules. Hackers steal $140 million from Brazil's central bank via vendor bribery, with millions laundered through crypto. World Liberty Financial opens governance vote to make its token tradable beyond its ecosystem. Ondo Finance buys SEC-registered Oasis Pro to expand tokenized securities in the US, and Hong Kong launches Leap to regulate stablecoins and boost tokenized bond growth. That's your today's crypto news dose. Follow me and see you in the next one by tomorrow.